The vivomeetings Learning Center provides convenient access to information about vivomeetings products and features.
Hey there, welcome to this video, and what I want to show you today is how you can download the desktop app and how to install it. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you will see the resources section and downloads. Now you can download and use vivomeetings on your smartphone, be it iPhone or Android. You can use it on your tablet and you can use it on your desktop app. Clicking on any of these links will bring you down to the relevant app. And here we are with desktop apps. Now I'm running Apple, so I'm going to click on download here for the Mac OS. That's going to download and I'm just going to run the install on this. Now, if you're using an Apple Mac, it's as simple as just clicking on install and then dragging vivomeetings to applications. And that's it, and it's installed. And of course on Windows, it's as easy to install it by just running the setup file. Now I will find the application in my applications folder on Mac, and I can just double click on that file to run the actual application and to get it started. Now on Mac, you may see this message saying vivomeetings is an app downloaded from the internet. Perfectly safe, just click on open and it will open up. Now, if there is a download available, it will actually say download update. So I'm just going to download that update while I'm waiting. Now you'll see that I can enter the access code, or if I have an account, I can log in. So I'm just going to log in here. Now that I'm all logged in, I can start using vivomeetings exactly as I would on the web, but I actually have it on my desktop. So it's so much easier to use. I can schedule meetings, I can start meetings, I can join meetings, I can look at my drive. I can do everything that I do on the web right here from the app. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.